in 8 non-attacking queens on 8 into 8 chessboard. For that, to understand that concept, let's see 4 into 4 queen. This is an adjacent. This is a matrix. This is a table. Uh, Assume that this is chessboard. In that we have to arrange as 4 queens where one queen should not attack another. The queen will attack when it is in row to row, when there is in the two queens are same in two rows, or in column, or in diagonal. To we have to check that, and we have to and we have to arrange the queens in rows, and we have to write the column names. The column names is the output. This is then main. This is then for doing this problem we are using a backtracking method algorithm. Let's get into that. The backtracking strategy is follows: place a queen on the first available square in row 1. You have to place a queen in row 1 and move on to the new next row. Place a queen on the first available square. We have to place them according to that, which we have to overcome these three attacks: row, diagonal, column, and diagonal. We have to overcome these three attacks. For that we are using backtracking. The procedure is: begin from the leftmost column, and if all the queens are placed, return true, print configuration, check for all the rows in current column, and if a queen is place safely marked and row, and recursively check the approach. I mean, if we place one key here, one queen here, it doesn't mean it is a correct option. It can affect another. It can affect another. Another queen that we have to overcome. For that we are using backtracking method. Let's get into the code. Display. This is an 8 into we are setting it in. I mean, for now we are doing a code for 8 into 8. For that I am initialized 8 as an range of the two for loops. Board is initialized as 0, and I initialized an 8 into 8 matrix as zeros. After that, is safe. We are checking the row and column. We are checking the row and column. If I in row in range column, if the word row of I is equal to 1, and return false. Zip is a function which its ranges for only certain number of sets which we have assigned in zip. That is a zip is a function we are using it. If board of I comma j is equals to -1 and return false. We are checking these three for loops using if condition and returning the true. After that we are solving. We are using a some solve function to check whether they are collided to each other or not. After that, if column is greater than or equal to 8, and return true. If I in range of 8, if I is safe, safe is an function using to check whether it returns a boolean. It is a boolean function. Board of I comma column, and board of I comma column is equals to 1. If solve board comma column plus 1 equals to 2 and returns true, and if it is false and returns false. And initialized an board function, when board matrix, in that we have initialized 8 into 8. After that we are checking solve, so we are calling a function called solve. We're calling a function called solve, and esafe is a function I said before. This is a function. After that we are calling this function to check whether it is a row and column. It is attacking the row and column attacks. After that, else if it is false, it shows solution doesn't exist, and else it prints a number of solutions for 8 queens. Let's run the code. This is an output of 8 queens. I mean, in first row, when first column the queen is safe, and the second queen, the seventh column is a safe one, and for the third one is 6, and for the fourth one it is an 8, and for the fifth one it is 2 column, second column is a safe one. Like that, this is an output of this one represent the queen status, where the queen is